guys and gals at gun websites would like to remind you to buy a patch every day from gearwebsites.com.
We're here at the Pima Air Space Museum. Excellent airplane museum here in Tucson, Arizona. This is one of their cooler displays. We can see a bunch of scale models, and the story behind these is pretty cool. So after Pearl Harbor, the Navy requested that high schools start making these identification models. So they put out the specifications for lots of different planes, and the students were asked to make these scale models for use in identification. People were concerned that Germans or the Japanese might fly planes over to the U.S. for bombing raids or for observation or for whatever purpose. So the military made these planes or these specs available, and people started to make these scale models for use as identification. And you can see that the playing cards were another option for learning the different planes that might be flying overhead. And according to the information on the wall here, this was what sparked the scale model hobby or interest. So after people started making these scale models, seeing how easy and interesting it was, they started to make others as well. And that developed into the hobby of scale model building that we still have today. You can go to any hobby store or hardware store pretty much and buy a plastic scale model. And I guess it all comes back to this plea to create identification planes for civilian defense. Very cool. One of the many interesting things you might learn here at the Pima Air Museum. Always worth checking out air museums, and that's a little bit of this one. Thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.